All right, hello. Today we're going to solve one of the most difficult problems on the SAT as sort of rated by Cora. Essentially, you're looking for a perimeter of a sort of irregular shape in this. The problem reads in figure here, you've got this arc, SBT, is 1/4 of a circle with a centre R and radius 6. If the length and width of this rectangle, ABCR, is 8, then the perimeter of the shaded region is going to be one of these things. Now, the reason this is difficult is because it's a multi-step problem, and so people aren't quite sort of sure. They've got to basically build together the different sort of lengths of this. So how are you going to solve it? Basically, the way you would think about it is, all right, well, let's break it up into steps. So we've got this arc to start. So this is going to be arc SBT. Now, we know we have some information about arc SBT. So if we look at this, we know that arc SBT is 1/4 of a circle, right? And we've got the radius. So if you know how to find the circumference of a whole circle, you can find the circumference of, or the distance of this just little bit, the arc. The formula for finding the circumference of a circle is it's 2 pi radius. So we've got 6 here, we know it's the radius. If multiplied by 2, it's going to be 12. And then we have sort of pi, so we've got sort of 12 pi, and we're going to divide it by 4. So we know pretty quickly that this length, SBT, is going to be 3 pi. So that's part of it. But how are we going to find sort of the length now of this bit? Well, the reality is that if we sort of put it together, what we're probably looking for is we need the length of, if you write it out, we need this length, SA plus AR plus RC plus AC, right? So we need SA, AC, CT. But we look and we realize that can be rewritten a different way. So it's the same saying sorta that we need sort of to be SR plus RT minus AR minus SA, minus AR minus RC, and then plus AC. So it's basically saying this length minus this bit, this length minus this bit, plus this length is what we've just written out. That's going to be this, this, this. What we realize is that we've got a fair amount of these lengths, right? So we've actually got that this is 6 and this is 6. Sneakily, we've also got that if this is a rectangle, the length of RB is going to be equal to the length of AC. So we also know that this is 6, right? So we've got, basically, if we rewrite this, we've got that it looks 6 plus 6 plus 6. So this bit, and this bit. Now we've got to just subtract AR and RC. So if you look up in RC, so how do you figure out these? Well, we actually have that. In the problem, it says the length and the width of the rectangle is 8. So, well, we don't know the exact lengths of each of these are. We know that together they're 8. So what we have is 6 plus 6 plus 6 minus 8 is going to be this length. And if you do that, that's really simple. That's 10. So what we've determined now is we've got 10. We've got 3 pi. B is our correct answer. Cheers.